I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can convert images to PDF using Android. Now, I'm going to use the more universal method, which is going to the browser, and you want to go to the URL here, and you want to search up images to PDF, right? Now, search that up. Now, there's a couple of services you can use, either Small PDF or I Love PDF. You can even find other services here, but I generally recommend something called smallpdf.com. Now, in here, you can see convert JPEG to PDF, well, which is usually images. Let me just choose a couple of my own files here. I selected a couple of my own thumbnails here, you can see. Now, if you want to rearrange how the images are arranged on the PDF, you can click on this button and then rearrange it like this. But once you're done, just click on finish. Now you can see it'll create the document. Let's just wait for it to load. And once it's done, just click on download and then go do whatever you want. So I'm gonna just do Firefox here. And then you can see it'll convert all of my images into PDF just like this. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.